The last software feature I would like to demonstrate today on the ISL28022 demo software is the ability to save data using the DPM evaluation board. The user would choose a file, save data, start the process of saving data. But prior to saving that data, you want to check on the data that you want to save. So for every VBus measurement that is checked, the software will save data from that channel. So it would save VBus channel 1, channel 2, all the way through 4, but would not generate a file or a save file for VBus 7 and 8. There would be a separate file for vShunt as well, and again it works in a similar fashion. Data would be saved for channel 1 through 4, but not 7 and 8. And nothing would be saved for current for channel 1, but for channel 2 there would be. The software allows you to uniquely name each channel. So for this one I'll just say separate voltage. And for this one I'll say resistor divider. And I'm going to shut off channel 3, 4, and 5 from collecting any data. Now I'm going to choose file. Whoops. Okay, everything's shut off except for channel 1 and 2. I'm going to go choose save data. And at this time it'll ask you where to save the data and what the file name is. This will be the base name for your for all the files to be saved. VBus is so what would happen is that since VBus is activated, VBus would be ISL demo VBus dataset, vShunt dataset. So each file will be tacked on, will have the suffix of what you're measuring. A dialog box then follows, asking how many points you want to save consecutively. I'm going to choose 100. The data collection will start once I press OK. Once the files are generated, you'll stop seeing the numbers flicker for the measurements that you're making. The other thing is the start data collection will resume button. It won't say stop data. And now what I'm going to show you is that since I put it on my desktop, I'm going to show you the files it generated. So since we had only channel 2 selected as to make current measurements, you'll see a file that says ISL28022 demo current dataset. We'll double click on this. It's a CSV file. And in Excel you can see that it'll tell you the 100 points, 0 to, as you can see, there's the whole data set's here. Oops. 100 points have been recorded. The time for each time the measurement was taken is recorded, so 0.3, 0.6, etc., etc. And then the resistor divider, remember the name we gave site to, resistor divider. This tells you what the readings are. The one last Excel sheet I want to show you is, let's look at the VBus. VBus was chosen on Site 1 and Site 2 to be measured, and in one Excel file you see, whoops, the points again. Trust me, that goes from 0 to 99. The time for Site 1 when it was measured, and the voltage it measured at that time. And you can see it for Site 2, resistor by a separate V. This concludes our demonstration on the ISL28022.